Hello everyone, today we are interested to learning like a generative AI for software development. Yes, so how and who wants to learn and who wants to grow their career in software industry? It may be different categories. As a programmer, developer, analyst and tester, maintenance, database administration, DevOps administration, wherever you want to fit. It's all about your focus is very essential to start this journey. And using generative AI and adding these AI skills to your future career, is it so easy? Yes, absolutely. It's very super easy to start and adding AI tools to your career by growing maybe 5x, 4x or 10x speed. How you are making solving your problems. That is very important. And nowadays most of the companies are maybe top MNC type, like a tier 2 or tier 3. Any company you may choose, any category you may choose, all are expecting these AI tools and using AI tool to solving their problems very quickly. So having this skill within you, you will be shortlisted. So and learning, is it very typical to learn these AI tools? Do you think that? Not at all. Using like a ChatGPT, Gemini and Microsoft Copilot, many of the AI tools are there. So anyone you try to practice with the hands on. So generative AI is nothing but generating these AI tools. When you give it some question, any query, we call it as it's a prompting. So prompting your queries, getting in a solutions and it's all about your problems. How you are taking your problems and how you are collecting your problems to taking a solutions and solving your real world problems. So ask your query to ChatGPT by creating a free account and getting in a solutions. It might be complex. You put it down like a small pieces of your problem. Ask your query. If you are not getting a proper response from this AI tool using a generative methods, then you reform the query and submit it again. Then you will get what is your expectation of your solutions. Such a solution you get it from the AI tool and apply. So solving your problems, it might be coding, it might be testing, it might be design, UI UX design. So what are the possibilities to make a stunning visualized web pages or website for your business or your corporate sites? Ask it. The idea you will get, what is the idea in your mind you will get, ask ChatGPT or any other AI tool to get a simple solutions. Make it fix it and re-ask the question if you need to get more information from this AI tool. So learning such a AI tools to applying small concepts to applying and taking a real world output solutions. A solution will help you to solving many problems in day-to-day your business activities, day-to-day your work activities. So which one you want to make it automation? So automation is possible. Yes, you may write down the steps, how you are following, how you are taking steps to the everyday routine task. These tasks you may put it together as a life cycle and ensure to complete such a task into automations. That will help you really. You may be student, you may be business professional, or you may be like a fresher. Wherever you want to finish the task, hands-on sessions you try. Try with the sample data. Try with the simple experimental way. Then only you put together by completion of the testing. Then only you have to put it into the real world data and real-time practical oriented scenarios. In such a step-by-step process, you will learn many things using generative AI. So apply, write a prompt which is a required code, required design or required testing scenarios. What is you need? and apply small bits to start hands-on practical sessions to reach your goal in very less time. I hope it will help you. If you need more, find ChatGPT, and similarly we will give you like a few of projects regarding this, how simply you can do it without coding knowledge. Yes, so anyone can try, anyone. Start learning today.